Let's try this again. So, if you watched the last video, you knew that the coefficients were molar ratios, and you could use them to figure out the number of moles you need to figure something else out, the other moles. In this video, I'd like to actually now go from mass to moles and back to mass to figure out how much of one mass you need given another mass. And so, in the problem that I've given you guys here, it says what mass of magnesium chloride MgCl2 is produced from the reaction of 50 grams of magnesium. Okay? So, in this top right-hand corner here, or left-hand corner, I want to put what I've got. And I've got 50 grams of magnesium. Now, I don't know how much of a mole that is until I convert it into moles. And the way I do that is using its molar mass. So I know that 1 mole of magnesium has a mass of 24.3 grams. Okay, so 1 mole of magnesium has a mass of 24.3 grams. I put it on bottom so I can cancel out my units here. So now that I've done that, now I want to find out the molar ratio between my magnesium and the magnesium chloride. In this case, it's 1 to 1, so I can put 1 mole of magnesium chloride is created from 1 mole of magnesium. Okay? I put my magnesium on the bottom so I can cancel out these units. And so now I know that I will have 1 mole of magnesium for every mole of magnesium chloride. But now I need to now convert back into the molar mass of now magnesium chloride. So on the bottom here, I'm going to put 1 mole, 1 mole of magnesium chloride, so I can cancel out my units. But I know that 1 mole of magnesium chloride has a mass that's much greater than the original mass, molar mass of just magnesium. In fact, in this case, I'm going to need 1 magnesium and 2 chlorides. And if I do this math really quickly, it'd be about 71, 91, about 96 grams per mole, right? Per mole. And so from here, I can now multiply across to find out what 50 grams of magnesium will give me. So I put it in my trusty calculator, turn it on, clear it out. I go 50 times 1 times 1 times 96. It's going to give me 4,800. I'm doing this quickly so my numbers may be 1 or 2 digits off. And my thing's sticking. There we go. All right. So I get 4,800. And this is going to go over, and I multiply across. 24.3 times 1 times 1, so this is just 24.3. And when I do that in my calculators, I have 4,800, I divide it by 24.3, I end up with 197.53 grams. So what this is basically saying is that if I had 50 grams of magnesium, and I combined it with chlorine, a sufficient amount, doesn't matter how much in this case, it will yield 197.53 grams of magnesium chloride. And all I did was use a series of conversion ratios. I went from grams to moles, moles of magnesium to moles of magnesium chloride, and then moles of magnesium chloride back into grams. And with that information, I'm able to find out how many grams are left over, or how many grams of magnesium chloride is made from 50 grams of magnesium. And I hope that's helpful. All right.